Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change camera macro ratio on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to camera application on your Samsung Galaxy A02. Here in camera, below, you can see the option. Okay, you can see the macro. Okay, select the macro. Here in macro, on the top, you can see the ratio icon. Okay, the ratio icon is set into 3/4. To change this, you'll have to do is tap the ratio icon. And you can see the option. You can set into 9/16, 1/1, or you can set into full. And okay guys, I decide to change into 9/16. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed camera macro ratio on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.